time at last to get some of our dailies trees in. Starting with a large, roughly 50-litre pot, we'll fill it up with some base potting mix. Alright, there they are in. Nice mix of good potting mix. That's the Baileys there, seems to be okay. Bit woody, but not bad. I'll put them in with some dynamic lifter slash rooster booster slash pelletized chicken manure, whatever you want to call it, and some blood and bone. We'll have a look at the ticket. These should be good in a pot. Have a read if you like. I'm not worried if they stay fairly small, as I'm after variety, not quantity of any one particular thing. And let's hope I don't kill them this time. I've used 2 fungicides on these, because I'm getting a bit paranoid about it. Eco fungicide, which is just potassium bicarbonate, I think, and also one of the copper-based ones, which you can see some remnants of on the leaves still. And hopefully, that'll keep these alive, unlike the last ones I bought. Enjoy life, and I'll catch you in the garden.